Our world revolves around nails. With the invention of the rotary principle in 1981, Encotec revolutionized the nail manufacturing industry, and we have been world leaders ever since. All our machines are made to order in our HQ in Denmark by our expert technicians and engineers. Quality is a top priority here at Encotec, and we are committed to providing professional service and exact delivery times. As expert solution providers, we can adapt to your needs to help you minimize your footprint and reach your optimum capacity. Our cutting-edge technology keeps you in control of your nail production, from wire to final product. It includes intuitive digital solutions, making operations, maintenance and quality control easy to manage. And help is always at hand if you should ever need it. Our technology allows you to collect data and keep track of your operations, helping you to spot opportunities for improvement. We offer expert consultancy and dedicated support to provide you with personalized solutions for keeping your business ahead of the competition. Our revolutionary technology is constantly evolving, but the true heart of Encotec will always be our people. Because Encotec is more than just machines.